Robesonia, Pennsylvania 19551. Spread your wings and fly with this 2015 Forest River Georgetown M37. This Class A motorhome is 37.4 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Ford V10 gasoline engine mated with automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with leveling system, backup camera and captain's chairs. With only 2,000 miles and always garage kept, you can rest assured that this Forest River Georgetown will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2015 Forest River Georgetown M37 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area complete with 3-burner, convection microwave / OvenLarge fridge / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with bench, SeatingElectric, FireplaceTelevisionSurround, SoundDVD / CD / StereoSofa, SleeperFull bathroom with ShowerMaster, king-size BedMaster, ClosetPass through storage and so much more. This 2015 Forest River Georgetown M37 is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Forest River Georgetown is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2015 Forest River Georgetown M37.